Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Jamie Lewis, and I'm here to welcome you to instantcommissions.com. That's right. This members area is going to give you everything that you need done for you to make sure that you connect the dots. There's nothing that's going to be confusing at all. This is like straight up, click this button, post there. Use this swipe, get commissions. We want to excel with our products to this point. This is like the pinnacle, okay? I've put out 20 products in the last year. And it's like every time I do a product, we get closer and closer and closer to perfection, where we're talking about, oh, we had 60% success from our students. The next product we do, we want to do 70% success. And then the next product, 75. The next product, 80. We get closer and closer and closer to making sure that there's nothing, no stone unturned, put it that way. And so that you can make some serious commissions. This is our goal right here. Newbies need the recipe, okay? They need to know how many cups of sugar do they put into the blend, right? How many scoops of sour cream? You know, how to create a recipe. Well, we're cooking up some commissions, okay? We basically put together this amazing software product for you. And you're gonna have many cool tutorials after this welcome video where you can go through the tutorials and you can learn how we have done it for you, where you're gonna basically shortcut system like a wormhole through the universe into your commissions. Just forget the trek, forget the pathway, just all right? It's like that, just immediate, right into the commissions, okay? So all laughing aside, very glad that you're here. I just wanted to create a formal welcome video where we could welcome you to the members area. My name's Jamie Lewis, that's right, and I've been doing this about 16 years now. Been educating people about 10 years. That's right, 6 years of trenches, 10 years of education. Started off teaching it. I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to jump in and do it better than the other gurus. Was I surprised at what I learned? Yes. Is it difficult to teach people who are used to being consumers, buying up all this IM crap, all this BizOp stuff? Yes. It's difficult to try to get people unaddicted. It's hard to not be taken as a contradictor. Shiny object syndrome is bad, okay? You want to be the producer and the seller, not the buyer and the consumer, okay? We'll get into all of that, but basically cut the BS. Instead of saying, hey, go to Craigslist and then click on this, New York, and then click on gigs, and then click on computer, and then click on this, and click on post and all that, we did the shortcut for you. With every traffic source and every method and every campaign, so that you don't need to follow instructions like that. You know, step one, go here. Step two, go. It's more like step one, get paid. Okay? So I don't know if you guys ever heard the short story about the woman who was addicted to shortcuts. And every weekend she'd get in the car and she'd try to challenge herself to get to somewhere faster. That's what we're doing with this product, Insta Commissions. So we wanted to make it instant. We wanted to put our money where our mouth is. And so that's the result. We formally welcome you to Insta Commissions. And I look forward to seeing you on the webinars and working with you and making things happen. Go through all the videos though. The videos are good. The tutorials are good. It's a good combination of philosophy and wisdom and technical and how to do it. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for being here, and you all are very, very good people. Thank you.